Hello, my name's Andrew Laws and I'm Chief Human at Yeseo. Now, have you seen those SEO channels on YouTube where the presenter gets really excited and they're waving their hands around, they keep going close to the camera and it cuts and then graphics come in and lots of stats come at you and you must do these 3 things, otherwise you're going to fail at SEO? The SEO channel is not really like that. It's run mostly by me and I've been doing SEO for around 25 years. I've got nothing to sell you. I'm not going to tell you you must get these bits of software, otherwise your website will fail. This channel is for anyone who's interested in SEO, for our fellow SEO peers, but more importantly, it's for business owners and for people who find themselves with digital marketing or SEO responsibility within their business. We're here to democratise and demystify SEO. We have a podcast. It'd be great if you listen to that. There's links in all the descriptions. But we're not going to tell you 5 things that you must do or your website will catch fire. Hang around, please subscribe, ding the bell. I think we're going to get along just fine. Cheers.